A former Royal Marines Commando from Devon has tonight reached Land's End after running all the way from John O'Groats. Chris THRALL has run an ultramarathon every day since the 1st of September and has made the 999-mile journey to raise money for a veterans charity. Spotlight's Andrea Ormsby saw him cross the finish line.
He's explored 80 countries on 7 continents, backpacked through North, South and Central America, caught piranhas in the Amazon, swum with bull sharks in Belize and holds a world record for firewalking. This is Chris THRALL's latest adventure.
Yeah, it's up there with the rest of them. I've been lucky over the years to try my hand at a lot of different adventures. I've been scuba diving in the Antarctic, fly planes, jump out of them, and of course I joined the Marines when I was 18.
Chris has done 37 ultramarathons every day from John O'Groats to Land's End to raise money for a charity which is close to his heart.
Words fail. I mean, to do what he's done has been incredible, and the condition his body's in, because he's got wrecked knees, other problems that we all know about. And you just run out of words to describe how much you admire his effort, how much it means to so many people, because he's inspiring a lot of people who are in the same boat, PTSD.
Life for Chris became very hard after he left the Royal Marines.
I mean, I didn't know what depression was, and I found it really hard to interact with professionals because they didn't really understand the mindset of a serviceman.
He's done it. A warm welcome back and around £15,000 raised to help other veterans in need. Andrea Ormsby, BBC Spotlight, Land's End.